the shop, and this bag here was £6 with a hat, bag, sunglasses, a garter, all in one bride bag. Donations for Bernardo's. I took them because they were the also, this is sewn up, these were the gloves, mittens. I want to cover up because I'm not so keen on that, but I like the mittens, and I'm hopefully going to quilt them. I don't know if I'm taking it to bits. They were £2.50, so I've spent £8.50. But in this was the, let's have a look, see if I can get it all on. Oh, we've got jewels and things coming out. Right, so what it was, I seen the bag and I thought, oh, that bag, this is the bag that, not this is the bag. This bag was what I wanted to just, I was looking for these kind of bags so that I could cover them. Yeah, because the back of it is plain anyway. But I was looking for inserts, you know, that I want to do, say, me crocheting on or some whatever. So I knew I was going to use the bag anyway. And then inside we've got a little clutch bag with bride on it. We've also got a drawstring bag with diamantes. We've got the blue garter and some of those sunglasses that's come with it. But what I was mostly interested in when I seen it was the cowboy hat. So if anybody knows me or been on my channel or spotted any about, I do make the crochet covers for these. But now I've got it out, I'm wondering how I can jazz this up a little bit more for the bride, and just, yeah, or if I just take all this off and cover it in the crochet that I've done before, you know, the small crochet squares. Anyway, so that's it now. I'll have a little look and think about what I'm going to do with it all. I'm just looking at this as well, if I could take the bride off, because it's a nice little, could be like a little summer bag. Yeah, so all in all, for £8.50, not a bad little haul. So see what I've come up with for these. So I've gathered some squares that I've done. We won't need that one for now, and we won't need the hat for now. All I want to do, sorry about the noise, is grab this bride bag. So what I've done is I've already been making squares, if you follow any of my channel, that I have a lot just put to one side. So what I've done is I've put a black around them, and all I'm going to do on this one is sew the actual squares. So I've got to tidy it all up. I'm going to bring this down a little bit, and I think I'm just going to put a couple of rows of black around the top edge. And let's have a look. Yeah, and then for the sides, just square it off and similar to this, just sew it and crochet, maybe put a little crochet down the side and then stretch it and then just sew it into place. Obviously take off all of the ends. So that will be the other side, and then the other, hopefully it will cover the word right, so we're just flattening it out. There's a pearl, slippery little pearl. Yeah, so it should hide the words. So I just want to make this, square this up, keep the handles as they are. So that's going to be an easy fix for that one. Right, so I'll get on with that next. Okay. So I'm just trying to keep close to the edge when I'm sewing this on with the machine. I'm just scared because there's like thicker bits of leather, so I'm scared I crack the needle or something. So I'm just taking it nice and slow, and then any bits that's really thick, I'm just going to do like that, just to jump over it. So I hope you can see all right. And then just keep the crochet up as close to the top of the bag as I can. That's it, and then just sew gently and take my time, going all the way around the top of the bag. Nice, I've already done the bottom of the bag, but I've done it by hand because I thought there's no way I'm going to get that under the machine. And I only done this round the tops just so it was a bit neater, because if I hand stitch it, I'm not the neatest of hand stitching. Just get loads of little bits out of the way. It's so hard to film. So we've got to take all of the goodies off here. I've got like a necklace, all of the goodies. This thing that goes around your neck. You just balance your phone, but it doesn't seem to stay very well. So I'm just trying to do everything at once. I think if you could see what I look like. With this, quite getting the job done. So I'm going to be really, oh, keep that bright. Yeah, that's the other handle. I'm going to be really lazy. Carefully going over the handles. And do nothing at all as well. But they're canvas, apart so they can lay quite flat. It's just the sides of the bag. See that bit, black bit there that's sticking up? I'm going to crochet a little something. And that's like got a couple of bits of the canvas and a bit like and I might just do the chain stitch on top. Very cautious of that. And I've snapped that many needles before. Luckily, so they seem to stay in the thread. But if you snap the thread, in here I am. I'll do that now. Because it'd be a nice little finished product. Summer bag, this. Looking inside the bag, it's quite big actually. And I do like it now, so I'm chuffed to bits. That, and it folds in on itself at the sides. Write my name. Yeah, so I'm happy with that. And then sit in front of the TV and pop some chain stitches in. Let's have a look if it's got a lining in. No. So you can either do it with a hook, with a crochet hook, or a tapestry needle. to snip off those ends as well. So that's your ends snipped off. And you could use some iron-on interfacing if you wanted to. So just measure that inside. And just get your mini just to pop that in. And then trim off the excess. So that's me demolished the hat and the bags. So I'm about to fix up the other bag first, and then I'm going to do a cover for this. So I haven't really done, I haven't done a video for this. I just decided to do one night sitting, just made like a hat shape and then stretched it round at the bottom, stuck some flowers on. I'm all ready for the spring fair. Thank you for watching.